Big up Crosses TV.
Curses TV. But we keep it on to side. Them not give me no fever. I'm definitely not give them no
That's
fever.
true.
If I tell you them have on a blue blouse or a red blouse, I
That's
would be
true.
lying. Me just when me spot them face, me know them dead. I'm try my hardest, don't even looking at them direction. Me make sure them stay in front of my face, can nobody now come lick me from the back. So them not trouble me not trouble them. But when me wonder who is in charge, me still I try wonder who in charge. Somebody have to in charge.
The
Somebody have to
girl,
advance.
you know who in charge. The little girl in
There's
charge.
no way
Somebody can
a little girl feel look for a back for lick a big man will do it so she can do it now.
At the bar counter when me see me go so.
Princess, when day I met come across Gina picture on my timeline, and every minute I say I take down Gina and put Gina in my story. Regardless, Gina is not a liar, actress for the community or whatever, but we trans Jamaican girls, I bet you them none of them don't even know who Gina is.
No, when you tell
And
me
Gina met them can do the after this White Plains Road railing with them going with an Uno take over 223rd. There was a girl named Gina. Do your research. But quite sure right now, if them see Gina in one party, they will link Gina out her clothes. I said them don't know her from nowhere.
Them see Gina,
Yeah.
them see Gina and I look on Gina funny. One night me in a party, one of them I look on Gina funny. And Gina glimpse me and Gina come for all on palm me, but Gina slide. But my feet, me never know Gina. The person all on palm me, but she a slide and she when I look, me say Gina, she say my niece and me and she hug me up. You see, once you tell me about Gina, I praise Gina. It's like how I praise me, I say a big woman.
Right.
Or whatever, I praise
never
Gina.
Jamaica for no me to work, but me have to
My
give me a respect
praise
because
Gina.
me and
And
me
guess
is one
what?
community.
Me and Gina, me don't know Gina, but fam, you tell me about Gina, and you tell me about Gina, and Gina come. I wait in there. So when my uptown and the real man, them I tell me, oh Gina used to have it all and pretty. But just myself, when I reach Gina age and other younger trans girl come, I see more them I tell them about me when me younger, oh me did pretty or whatever. It just a picture. I say Gina show me some picture when she in a jumper and Gina, man, I go crazy for Gina.
Princess.
How much lit Gina get and Gina for
Princess,
man,
you think them little girl could have come walk on White Plains Road if there wasn't a blood clot Gina? Missing man, old Gina and with knife to chop off her finger, them nails they on it. And them same man was to Gina and lick Gina, them gonna tell her so them don't know her from nowhere. Them gonna tell her that. That's all prime them is.
Who this?
Hello?
This is check out the person and them not talk. Get them off.
That's all prime them little girl here is. Them now wait until and then what happen is when them turn 30 and 40, them gonna want the respect. Because them for them work what them do, them gonna want the respect. But them now understand so they didn't earn it. They have not even begun to do the work to have a memorable name. Y'all don't have
yeah. Because me I tell you say nobody don't like a little girl. Nobody don't like her. And it's bad when everybody have their mouth on you, you're not gonna make it far.
And that's crosses to when everybody have
but you know what day my sister she quiet and me I say, okay, so like she quiet or whatever. But me still she real up and bad up like a raging bull. I say bad up, real up back, me say blood clot get in it.
Just all of my mom say that look so bad for she have to lick out my old blood clot in your head. That would have looked so bad and tragic for she have to slap me down. Cause she have a lick bad up if help find an apartment for she.
Slap who?
Princess.
Slap who?
Princess, you don't need to respond to that, you know, because me just say in jest. And everything, stop being ignorant. I don't like it.
I mean that bad up, my love.
The point what I make is if she will do lick bad up.
And they say the same thing too.
If she will lick bad up.
You have to play back dirty with them.
You know, say anybody go like them more match my energy. I can show them some energy.
Yeah, you have to match it back with them. You have to match it back with them.
You have to match back the energy.
Where's if I bother me in the
matching energy?
Because
if me do you something, me say,
I can't say I won.
If me do you something, I'm see you match with my energy, you know me I go bigger than you. That's how it go.
That's how it go for true.
That's how me now put myself in the way.
That's why I'm always tell you, Macy, don't fat no more of them for them come kill you.
Don't fat no more of them for them kill you. You think sometimes when Olivia stay home and you are stay home and Philip stay home, I want to call a girl and say, girl, me come pick you up, girl, make me go. I want a blood clot fly bitch for me and them can go out. So say, yeah, we are go. I say, I want a bad bitch for me and I go, because you don't know me always like a party and me like the party and go. Me say, I want a bad bitch, but me no want them come get ungrateful and bad mind and say me go and this and me care about it. Yeah.
No, when them a be
alone.
of course, I'm gonna tell you. Go on too much.
Yeah, me roll alone.
You're not heavy enough to do something like that. Okay? Chill out. Oh?
No, when the little girl that want you, man, she want you.
Oh?
You better stop playing the girl.
You know this gonna say back her name from she want me? From she want me, I don't say back her name because I wouldn't let the devil play with her one night.
Who that?
This girl from Boya.
Oh.
From bad girl from Boya. Me not call fear name, my love. Me don't even really call the rest of them name, but fear one specific me not call because she make sure she warn me off. And me take her warning very serious. Cause me not think I thought to warn me I gonna make a 19 or 20-year-old have to warn me again. Huh? Me not think so. Cause she just stop wet bed. So me not understand oh if you want to lick a girl just so because a girl like I may never yet insult the girl, I always start the truth. And from a loving place, you're not supposed to do that, baby. You have people, you have a mother, call your mother, you have a gay mother and tell your mother, say, Aliyah, make your mother reach out to Aliyah and them start it out then. Your mother must can reach out to Aliyah to get to the bottom of my feet. Stop. But when you have to take up a back of Aliyah, that is
them not gonna really reach out to Aliyah because I say Aliyah never got all out against Abby. So them not gonna really reach out to Aliyah.
That's what I'm saying. That's why the levels is kind of confusing to me. It's very, very confusing.
And
it's all confusing.
And they don't understand say Abby and Aliyah have a long history.
Every time one girl fuck around, I always reach out to Patra. Right? The only time I strike back is when I realize that reach out is in vain. And that's why I'm stop now. Because I realize she is little and obsessive. So that's why I'm stop now. I'm not about to call because if they are doing what they're supposed to do, remember me for call Patra Mada. So, somebody around you want to kill your daughter.
Yeah, I know something about it. And maybe Patra said things about it now, but then that's
not say nothing about it, but what needs to be done, needs to be done. Because Olivia is not troubling you. Olivia me and her don't have no reason for have a war. She said me not look good, and me agree say me not look good. What is the war? Me not say she not look good back, you know. Alright, me not look good. Me agree say me not look good. What is the war? What is the war where you want with me? What you want with me? Because me know you did there Jamaica and you come up and me never give what you did think you're supposed to. Me never know when you there come across the border, you there come across the border with me on your agenda. There was something about me.
You know, maybe.
Me never know that's real. That's a real thing. Like it was an inspo for make sure you reach across the border for safe.
Womanhood comes with a lot, baby.
Me no know nothing about them. I mean, I want to know not one thing about them. I don't want to.
But and then again, to nobody now school her, and nobody now reprimand her and say, look here, whatever, or whatever, because them leave her. I bet you say them leave her up on her own, she can't write fucking down.
May I say, you just said the key word. We not expect that them can put her across them knee. But they can step away from her and say, girl, you gotta stay on the island by yourself now. Because now you get out of hand.
Mm-hmm. I love talk about nothing more people with our bright blood class self.
You cannot tell me that she's supposed to have a Philip Aliyah, and that was so okay. That can't be okay.
Yeah, them are going to say aliyah 8 way, aliyah this, aliyah.
That's fine. She not feel like me. She don't feel like me.
8 way, and while we're dead, that's fuckery.
Princess, I know me. I tell you not play aliyah no mine. I want no aliyah no like me.
No, you always tell me.
Yeah.
Last night, straight in my mouth and my lips.
Them know people from when. I have blood clot secret fear. But let me say, I be one girl. Them now go really too fun that Olivia. I just shoot me attack now and cuff Abby and do the things that where them want. Aliyah for the Abby all the time. And at the same time, Aliyah never really split the justice. So, that's why them turn on her, and them turn on her more, because they want a big man. You're a good girl. You say you want to beat your auntie, not the one you love. I mean, they want to beat your auntie last night, girl. Not me, though. Still, we can't keep on with them, I'm going to say, I'm not going away. Come on, I'm going to do every minister.
You need a closure wig.
Yeah, man, make one clueless, a clueless them calling.
Like you have to put it down.
Yeah.
Listen, again too, our family here with the public disgrace and we'll have like a family or whatever. But within our family, we don't feed one another for worry one another either.
No, we not feed one another for one.
No.
Many
times as dark as Kenneth is when me and you at it, me say the way of the woman uncomfortable.
No.
Achoo.
And she is the darkest one.
And she's the darkest one.
So uncomfortable.
Oh.
When everybody realize me and Macy get along, everybody depend them so happy we get along. So only just like make a family go out now the public go do them disgrace here to pick off them one another one. No.
Well, I never said this. And then when Aliyah say, whenever they tell Aliyah say she can't talk, but when Aliyah can't say, because Abby and my niece and Aisha and my niece, that's beside the point. Who was wrong at the time? Who was wrong at the time?
Yes, sister.
Who was wrong at the time? Both of them are your nieces, but which one was wrong at the time? Who was pushing for? Who was wrong? That's all you have us to do. I say no, little girl. I come to say, Missy man. Because as much as me and I say eye to eye, we don't try to disrespect each other. That's me and Aliyah. I'm a like her, because me and her did have a history. Yeah.
Sister, you know they will take this as an insult. And you know when I insult them?
When I insult of some level, that me say, Aliyah a big man, and even though nobody talk from my behalf, Aliyah is a big man and a little girl. Now some say I try disrespect her in a way that they want to come beat her in a dance. Especially one little blood clot girl, but she helped get an apartment. If I was Aliyah, I would get that blood clot key. Since I a big man, I go get your own place. I go under your name and get somebody or you go get somebody to do it.
I tell Olivia last night, say,
yeah, it's simple because at the end of the day, if you go want this is something open the song, I go do one big one. I'm making a blood clot.
See when everything started, came out a joke, you know. Then I see when she says so, I see Aliyah say back to her. I say she real up, I say Aliyah real up back, I say she real up. I say no, this serious. I must stand up at the bar and me watch everything.
I live in the fun of a girl. When the truth come for time, I go talk the truth.
Then Princess, yeah, the girl said she said some girl at the party was should have licked to her. That's so she leave her house to lick somebody.
When she says so.
Them said she said, me don't know me. You know me can't follow this.
She not say so. She not say so.
Every time she did that go. Well, your stuff say you did that go.
She not say so.
Princess, me not apply that to you, you know. And believe me, so me not think that.
No, she not say so.
Princess, if me did feel threatened by the time I'm ready to go through the door, you know, I have outside lock. Me never feel no threatened or no way. None at all. Them never trouble me and me never trouble
The
them.
light turn on in the party. I tell myself, so once me in a party and the light turn on, it's time to go.
There's no way me got there and say me a fuck one man and anybody can come lick me and just go home so go lie down. You mad? That's why me no fuck idiot. Me no run them batty man fucking joke the way me see them a run. Them little girls there with them a fuck. And no, me like fireworks. Don't play with me. Huh? And them gonna say me wicked, but that's okay. But now take them lick door.
Me worse, my love.
I'm not doing it.
Me worse, because I feel like I get violated wicked. So I got violated triple times. So I just let it go.
Yeah.
I don't know
fucking crazy.
So
Ken say more come on the live for 2 seconds. Add Ken there.
so I can send the
All of you have a
request.
souk aliyah.
Oh me?
No, my friend.
There's no way me ever think that. Them forget it
Can
under
send the
control.
request.
Them forget it under control for true. And the leader them over
Send
each
the request. No, and
family.
most of all, most importantly, is the owners of the owner of the venue where them coming down mash up, I violate over and over. The dirty owner of the agency for do blood clot something about
Princess, last night when you hear me say when they matter about Dolly Sunday, and I say I wouldn't go Dolly Sunday because remember me not go out in a long time, you know. But here one, me's a wise girl. Me never get up and go in a one environment like that. Because no idol, everybody extra idol. No, me not going to pulse. None at all.
Anybody,
that's an idol.
you go downstairs, down barrel stairs, you come up back, them can't pass, any weapon can't pass through.
Okay, now, so I'm not come up.
I see everything. I see everything. Anything can go in there.
Why can now come up?
I mean, no Barry ears and ears and ears. Barry never, you know them something or something. I know all them crowd there. Barry's a very bougie person.
Why we can't, why me add Ken and Ken now come up?
So I don't know what kind of something this a go on. Who a war and them can come in as them have a light and keep the war. That's disrespectful. If you don't like Barry and don't respect Barry, they don't the war and stop it. And I just we not war with so.
Yes, God bless.
You're going to your mate party then.
Can you now come
What you
up?
doing at your mate party? Your mascot?
Oh, I wish other 4 person upon it.
No,
The other person with upon it there.
me, you and
But that's what it say at 4 earlier. I want the next 4.
3 first. So.
Let me look. I'm not seeing 4 people upon it. 2 me see there. Hold on.
Remove K. Somebody need. What your mess? Remove. Oh, K. The pan it same way. Remove K.
I'm not nobody name Kayla.
K sweets.
What should reach for you? So wait there. I'm not nobody name K Sweetness for the blood clot. Come on, for what should there? I'm not see her for remove her. Instagram I fuck up because I see her. I'm see her upon it. I can't remove I'm gonna say.
I can rap with look at you, but you have to know how you rap with them too. You have to know how you rap with them. No little girl can't tell me if I move my blood clot and me did a rap with or none of them blood clot. That yes, me and them will follow, but them know how to talk to me too. No little girl can't play with me. No little girl will come out of my and none of them whether I will talk or not talk can run certain joke with me. I stand up now as a big man to them and say, and me I talk to? That's it. I can't.
But you know what?
You attack
What I think, as the community as a whole, have to put a stop to it.
Then them house respect never start from in them house from them original parents. Them grow outlaw. Cause my mother is like this. Me say, if my mother and her best friend fall out and them never talk again, me say, you know me the best friend I step past the best friend. You didn't know that? You know, my mother would kill me if me do that because my mother said, if something happened to me, it's a community raise you. This one and that one supposed to care.
But that's how it's going. Because you look, even though you're a big man, you look a girl when you come on to your mother's best friend or whoever she is your mother.
Thank you.
Even if you feel some kind of way about it, you're not supposed to stick it up on your head.
No. That's not my place. Much less to have a lake. Me said, you never see it. Me stood up and see it. My eye upon it, so I turned to Phoebe. I'm say, so nobody now tell she some aliyah bigger one. I mean, I look for fear bigger eggs now for come and say, yo, where you do? Relax.
No.
That's all she needs.
But Olivia,
if you have the power, she's supposed to have.
Maybe the bigger eggs not really fun that Olivia aliyah like that.
I don't know. Me never go for deep in them. That part no.
No.
Me take the bigger heads the whole time me watch now to see how the bigger heads are angle this. Come I want to know who in control this whole time. Come I realize there is no control. And of course, in every clip there have to be advised. But when you hear it, no, she can't talk to me so me a bigger man. No, me not run them joke then. If me see me do something and it don't make no sense, I should open my mouth out of respect for her.
You know, so we know it. Because we are saying, you can't say.
Right?
You can't say, I don't know if you say that, girl, because it's not even a fucking thing.
So me a look, wait a minute, me I say, let me watch the bigger heads now. So me immediately track down the bigger heads. Come here, expect to see the bigger heads go over there and say, relax. She not to go over there and make the noise, you know, because the bigger head's supposed to have that. Remember, she do the work, so them fall under she. So the bigger head's supposed to go over now and say, my girl, relax, or come to leave. Take her out of the club and you and I leave then. Because you are the bigger heads, you have to make. You play it, you take up your board, your piece on the board, because remember, it start as, we could get down to it. Homeboy and Mada man, them two they started, so them vice supposed to strong. When you go over now and you say, all right, then you still have love for your local niece or whatever she want be. You say, you know what, you tell me say, Phoebe, come we and leave. You go over there and say to her, say, you know what happened? Relax. Come make we take a walk. Come make we leave. And you go because you have a vehicle. And you diffuse the situation. That's power.
Well, darling,
there, who have the power.
I mean, Phoebe, we're not area. Phoebe, we're not area.
I remember the words in the camp, so nobody can really talk to nobody. Them just a pretty.
Because it never step on a stable. It never put no cement. They don't go use cement. They never because at the end of the day, aliyah never do nothing wrong. But aliyah
when it was just you and Kenneth now talk to Pink House and me coming at the party and me see it. If Pink House wish to tell them the truth, anyway, she sit down on the live I watch. Me go to Pink House. I'ma say, Pink House, don't. I'll stop calling her Pink House Pebbles. I said, don't argue with Macy and Kenneth. Make it go on. Them will cool down. That's what me said to her.
But you know,
because me no want to say, oh no, in a few
never
and
a
fight
even
get.
But listen now, Phoebe, look at take the call now. Me and that girl never have no issues that I know of. Me and I never have no arguments, nothing more than she post Andrew. And when she post Andrew, I never saw when she post Andrew. I never cared that she post and she post Andrew about 5 times and I never open my mouth and she make it look like me not talk to her because she post Andrew. I told her you can go ahead and post Andrew. I don't care if you post Andrew, me Andrew not there. Me Andrew not there for much years now. Whatever saying if she want to post Andrew, that have nothing to do with me. Nothing at all nothing to do with me. So when she gonna make it look like me and her in an argument about Andrew, that wasn't it. She come from my live, I'm gonna say to her, I said, girl, she say, me not call her, I'm gonna this, I'm gonna that. I'm saying no because I see you and the people that are close, right? I'm gonna say you and the people that me and my family and them at it, and you supposed to in our family, I'm gonna see you and them close, I don't trust you.
The true matter is a friend to all is a friend to none.
Yes, I'm gonna say,
a friend to all is a
friend to none. I'm say I don't trust you. Come in if me I call you. I'm going to tell me hang up my phone, you talk bad things about me and whatever because you're around the way. Get to me and say, girl, Olivia. So that I tell her, she come on the live, she start the pan. When she come on the live, she start the pan. If she start the pan, everybody have big man, me have big man. So it's a shut up, so I can't chat to her.
No, I'm gonna listen, sister. Let me say this, and I'm not picking up for her. I think it's all about understanding. I think what she was feeling was that she know, cause me and her talk. She tell me said she don't want in no war. She right, and that's understandable. So I think she not understand where you are set to her, you know. But she a come from a place of she just tired now for war. Which if you're tired for war and you're saying you're tired for war, you shouldn't let it get this far. And I can tell her that.
Okay,
this is what I'm saying.
Because me
not to a war.
Me never tell her ever tell her to go war with nobody. Ever. Not
right.
That's
what I'm saying. So it's like
whatever. Me never one day say Batman come. The only girl when they tell Batman say for lick out them blood clot and Emily. Because I said that is so like how she hold the knife and hold it up on the video. That girl I feel that she sure you. So you have to see her and wackle her and expect me to tell Batman that.
But a Batman and
yeah, me tell her
Batman
that. Me tell Batman that because I know about war a long time. I mean, when a little girl, whenever a little blood clot girl come out after, even though a girl come out after you can, if a disrespect girl come out after you, them have all right for disrespect your back. But me and that girl, I'm going to tell her, I say, look here, I don't feel comfortable because I see when the people, and then she start talking about, oh, she never come along. I'm going to say, okay, fine, no problem. But I'm taking myself out of the equation. As she turned it into something else.
And that's what people don't understand too. You can't be friends with two rival groups, right? Me and one of them over there they talk, right? It was never a situation where I think we both kind of understood where we stood, because there's no way the groups are just so divided. And I think our speaking was to get it to a place where we could exist. Well, that was my intentions. Clearly it wasn't hers. To get it where we could exist without the problem, right? But you can't say, let's be friends with two enemies. Because you invite, so right, send me and you, all right, me and you are friend, and Phoebe, on the pan team, Kenneth and Angel the pan team, on not talk, the two team them not talk. Me send me a friend to the two on me stand up, me, you and Phoebe go one party. Angela and mates and Kenneth coming at the party, and them come over to me for talk to me. Because me and them talk, so it's not abnormal for them come over to me, right? And them start both liberty right there, so.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Invite the problem? You have to at some point say, okay.
Which Kiki Master? Bitch, we never know blood clot Emily from nowhere, so that we don't know my black from my life, because we don't know Emily from Jamaica, so we don't know the fuck you talk about.
It's in a Peter comment, no mind.
No, I got black card, because we don't know Emily from blood clot.
Yeah, the age for telling
you. I don't know that germs, I don't know that dead dog, I don't know her, that rotten girl, I don't know her none at all. I don't know her none at all, so when time she talk and I talk, she know me. And then I talk about my blood clot granny, I come with granny in her stinking mouth, I'm just relax, I'm not saying, because I don't know her. And she don't know me, so I'm not going to take what she said personal because she don't know me.